A lot of YouTubers are making app and game icons realistic, but none of them have made my childhood games realistic. So in this video, I'll be making my childhood games icon ultra realistic. First up, we have Minecraft. I don't know about you, but this game is responsible for my creativity today. I mean, look at this house. I built this when I was 12. Just kidding. I was too lazy to build houses. I just use a house spawner and call it a day. This is the Minecraft icon, and making this realistic is going to be very tricky. So let's start by making the base using the square here and turn it to the left, then duplicating it and turning it to the right. Not bad. Now for the top part. I don't know how I'm going to make this square face up. Must I do it like this? Like this? Or like this?
6.5 hours later.
After hours of skewing, this is what I ended up with. Now let's let the grass texture on the top and the dirt on the sides. It's close enough, but it's flat. So let's add a shadow on the right and highlight on the top. I almost forgot the grass that overlaps on the sides. So let's add that. And there we have it. Ultra realistic Minecraft logo. Next, we have Candy Crush. I've played this game for hours, which turned into days, and before I knew it, it was years. I was obsessed with reaching the final level. I hit what I thought was the last one, but then there was another one. That was the day I woke up to reality. Now let's make this realistic. I need real candy, so I got a bunch of them. Took the red one, place it here. Because I'm lazy, I'll duplicate the red one. I'll duplicate the red one, make it orange, change its position and add some shadows. Next, we need a disco ball. I got one and place it here, then move it to the square. Then I added more shadows and highlights, and finally the king logo on the corner. And there we have it, ultra realistic Candy Crush logo. Now for the icon you've been waiting for, Subway Surfers. I'm pretty sure we have all played this game, hoping to reach the end, but we failed again until we realized we'll never reach the end because the game is endless. So let's make the ultra realistic icon. First, let's clip this beautiful background to the square. I found this, which is shockingly just like the Subway Surfers character. I'll put him here and paint the tip of his cap red and this part here white, and done. Oh wait, there's something missing, the spray can. Let's slap this bad boy here and paint it yellow. I don't know why, but let's also paint the borders yellow as well. Now there we have it, ultra realistic Subway Surfers logo. Now watch another video.